eat. Take a bite, what a treat! B is for bowl, bouncing high. Kick it up into the sky. C is for cat, soft and small. Listen to it meow and call. D is for dog, wagging tail, running fast along the trail. E is for elephant, big and strong, trumpet loud all day long. F is for fish, swimming fast in the water, splashy splash. G is for giraffe, tall and bright, eating leaves, what a sight! H is for hat, on your head, yellow, green, blue, or red. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy, chocolate, vanilla in my tummy. J is for juice, fresh and sweet, a healthy drink, what a treat. K is for kite, flying high, dancing brightly in the sky. L is for lion, king of roar, loud and mighty, hear him soar. M is for monkey, climbing trees, swinging happily with ease. N is for nest, safe and round, baby birds chirping all around. O is for orange, round and bright, sweet and juicy, what delight. P is for panda, black and white, eating bamboo day and night. Q is for queen, with crown so tall, smiling kindly to us all. R is for rainbow, colors 7, shining brightly up in heaven. S is for sun, shining bright, giving us warmth and light. T is for tiger, fast and strong, stripes and growls all day long. U is for umbrella, keep you dry, open it up when raindrops fly. V is for violin, playing sweet, music dancing on your feet. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming deep in the ocean too. X is for xylophone, ding ding dong, playing a happy bouncy song. Y is for yak, furry and strong, walking through hills all day long. Z is for zebra, stripes of black, running fast, clickety-clack. A is for ant, tiny and quick, marching fast with steps that stick. B is for bird, flying high, spreading wings across the sky. C is for car, zooming fast, vroom, vroom, it zooms past. D is for drum, boom, boom, beat, tap your hands and move your feet. E is for egg, oval and small, crack it gently, don't let it fall. F is for frog, hopping near, croak, croak, do you hear? G is for grapes, purple and round, juicy bunches can be found. H is for horse, galloping fast, running fields so strong and vast. I is for igloo, snowy and white, cozy home in winter's night. J is for jelly, wibbly and sweet, shaky, jiggly, yummy treat. K is for kangaroo, jumps so high, bouncing, leaping through the sky. L is for leaf, green and light, dancing softly, such a sight. M is for moon, shining bright, watching us every night. N is for needle, sharp and small, stitching clothes big and small. O is for owl, wise and slow, hooting softly, woo, woo, go! P is for pizza, cheesy delight, tasty slices every bite. Q is for quilt, patchwork neat, colors and patterns warm and sweet. R is for robot, beeping fun. Hello, hello, everyone. S is for star, twinkling bright, guiding sailors in the night. T is for train, chugging along. Puff, puff, choo-choo song. U is for unicorn, magical sight, sparkly mane, glowing bright. V is for volcano, fiery and tall. Lava flows, hear it call. W is for watermelon, juicy treat. Red and sweet, can't be beat. X is for xylophone, ding ding dong, playing a happy bouncy song. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning, twirling round and round. Z is for zebra, stripes of black, running fast, clickety-clack,